No, Facebook is not a place where you find connect with your friends and family anymore. It's a really big search engine for your clients. So, and people are building their big $1 million businesses on Facebook. And the sooner you understand this, the sooner your business gonna skyrocket. Today I'm gonna go through how in 3 ways you can find clients as soon as possible on Facebook. Simple things, real simple things. We're just gonna go over it. Last one is the most important to get the clients that you really want today. So stay with me, guys, and we're gonna go over it. I'm gonna shorten the screen. Let's get started. So first and foremost, guys, Facebook is, we used to treat it as Facebook, we connect with family, friends, and things like that. But there's a lot more ways you can use Facebook to get clients. Today I'm going over 3 things. First is optimizing your profile for your potential client. What I mean by that is the biggest advantage I think Facebook has is this cover picture. Any other platform, LinkedIn has a cover picture, but you can't really see it. Instagram doesn't have one, Twitter, very small one. You can't really see those. But this Facebook is the main thing, what you really all about. Its Facebook cover is more about, what are you all about, right? So we need to optimize our cover in a way it show exactly that, how we can help you, how we help our potential client. So I see a lot of people making this little mistake. I help people to live a free life. I help do this. I help people to get rid of 9 to 5 job. But how? That's the key. How? A lot of people are already into these businesses. They have tried things, but how you can help them, that's the key. So for me, what I came up with, what I have learned so far, so I put it really simple. Let me show you how to take your high ticket affiliate or coaching business to $10,000 to $20,000. Always add a tangible goal here, guys. This will be a really key element to build the business, because you don't have to explain every single person who came to your profile like what do you do. Even when you're outbounding, inbounding, you don't have to talk about these things and spend time on that. Then giving them a clear and give them a little thing that you're interested in. So a lot of people do this. Okay, but what your specialty? You can do this with no sales call, no sales. So imagine now I gave them this no sales call. Okay, wow, this is gonna happen. Oh, is this possible? If I save time on sales call, I can spend more time with my family, at least 3 to 4 hours. Oh, okay, how you guys do? Does he sell? What do you call it? Does he sell? Appointment setters? Does he help with appointment setter? Does it how he done the business, right? Intrigue the interest. Now this is really good. Now they're looking at the profile, good to go. Now they can take one action, join my free pyramid. If they click it. Now this is really crucial, guy, how you do this. A lot of people don't, work this on this anymore, but this is really crucial. So then they click on join my free private community. We set them to do this. So now give them this straight up. They have this. All right, just cut to the chase. We truly have one of the best coaching program in the entire marketplace, and I want to eventually do business with you. Be clear, be concise. I'm not here to just give value. I want clients. I want you to work with me one-on-one and pay. So to over-deliver here, what I will do, I will give like to directly work with the book a free study session. Here's the study session. A couple of details about my program. I run a coaching scale to 20K a month without sales call and without study session. Yes, you get personal coaching with us. Now, if you'd like some help, yes, we'll get 2x guarantee if you don't get double investment with us. We'll get unlimited coaching with us until you do. This completely eliminate the risk of fear of what if I don't get money back. Ready to finally scale your affiliate coaching business 20K a month beyond? DM me the word now. Book a call using the link. Being clear, being confident what you really do. Lot of people are, just giving them different links and all that stuff. Giving them always just maximum 2 options. I would say go for 1, but in the beginning stages go for 1. But as you grow your business, a lot of people directly want to talk to you because they know you now, right? So give me an option to connect. So let's close this. Now let's get to bio, the most important thing, guys. This sales call and long study session, your main core thing. They want to learn more, join the free community. They jump here, they can answer 3 simple questions, they will directly in touch with me. Simple as that. Then if someone is not ready to be in touch with me, they're like, okay, I still want to know about this person, they can open they can open my YouTube channel, right? They can see, what this guy is all about, what he's helping with, things like that. Now let's get back to this. So in this way, and I would say, guys, this is really crucial. Why I say this, when people see, okay, a lot of people, what the biggest mistake what they do is they add so many links here. You might have seen it already if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure. Link to their Instagram, link to their Twitter, all that stuff. But who cares? They are caring about, I don't want to spend more time with this person, I want to know how this helped me. Like, is this something for me? That's the question they're asking, is this person can really help me out with my problem I'm having, right? So they can do this. If you give them so many options, like what that really means, they want to solve the problem, but you're giving them so many things that they don't need. With Instagram, what they're gonna do, they're gonna find some stuff, but definitely what they're gonna do, every single thing you post, you do, should provide value to your ideal client. If it's not doing that, definitely it's a little bit of entertainment or something, but it's not gonna go long term, and you will struggle to find the ideal client. Everything you do, guys. So study accounting only, little bit of where I'm studying from. Lives in Vancouver, Canada. That's where I live. I'm from India. But imagine this: if I start giving them detail about I'm from India, I'm immigrant, I came here 5 years ago. There's no benefit to them about that, right? Everything they want to know a little bit about me. Give them. I could take Quantal University. I live in Vancouver, Canada, followed by 1,000 people. Simple as that. But a lot of people like to complicate it. And again, so this is done. This is really good. We go to the second step. The most important, I would say, doing all the heavy lifting for you, doing the work for you. So we'll go to content. The reason I put this as a pin post, guys, this is something selling them on the strategies, pre-selling on them on the strategy. See this, at the 20K no call model. 20K, 10 to 20K month without sales call, low conversion webinars or all these side. Oh, again, intrigue and interest, like how this guy does it, right? So they can learn more about it in just a 7-minute video. Value again. This, guys, is the key part, and somebody already shared it. I just posted not that long time ago, and already got so many views. I can just open it. I think it can seen by 100,000. See this. Already got 149 views. A lot of people want to learn these things, right? Also, that's why we got 149 views, right? So see this, and definitely if you're selling high ticket, how many people that you need to build a $100,000 business, $20,000 business? Value is gonna do everything, right? Now, giving them more about what you all about. Think I'm running this little workshop. Would love to work with you. Have a read of this, guys. This is really crucial. In this running, we're starting on, I think, 15 on May, in the middle of May, for like 3 days. It's really, really, really awesome. Already a lot of people are asking about it. A lot of the offers are gone. So we just started yesterday. So big results coming. Then again, before, giving them, what you used to do before, things like that. Do we send this little offer? Here's the doc AC, thanks man, we'll be done. So you can see like how this process really working. No sales call. We want to work with these people, but they want this result, right? Everything should lead to that result. This is leading to the result. This is leading to that result. Everything is leading to that result. Now, first, your profile, your bio, it all comes down to that. Second, we talked about is the content. Now, I'm going to know how to go, all in and find clients as soon as possible, because in this way, definitely is great. But we need to, a system that's gonna get this client as soon as possible. As I mentioned, the third one is really powerful. So imagine why I said Facebook is a big search engine. So we have this here. Open this now. To groups. So we can find any type of client that you really want, any type of client that you can help. So who I'm looking for? Firstly, I will ask myself this question. I'm looking for someone who is affiliate, who want to scale the business to $20,000 a month, and he want to do this sales call. Let's get started. So recent searches, I go here, high ticket affiliate marketing. I can have a look. So I will go through this too, guys, how to really get into that. So 14k members, 10k. Always go for a group that is not big than 2 to 3,000 members and have a person name on it. The reason I say this, a lot of people in 14,000 members, it's really hard to find your potential client and things like that. Now I will find something. Okay, this is 4.9, 10 posts a week. High ticket affiliate marketing for beginners. Okay, now high ticket affiliate marketing for beginners, Facebook organic. We're doing Facebook organic. Let's look into this. Okay, welcome. Teach people how to sell high ticket. Okay, you can join this group. You will find so many potential clients in this group, conversationing, things like that. Now it's gonna take some time to join this group. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go to something that I'm already part of. So these are the group I'm part of. You can have a look. So, and see this, guys. Freedom Accelerator. This is part of. Using my Facebook is a better page. I'm only posting reels right now. People are already having questions, right? I can even go to this person. This opened up, like, I don't know. I go to this person. This person already getting, finding a business from home. Simple as that. So see this again. So many links here and all that stuff, and not getting any engagement. Do you think you can help them? If I'm potentially help these people, right? See the power of it. So imagine if I get connect with this guy, I can definitely talk to him, help him out. Simple as that. So now this shows up automatically. One thing, if you're part of the groups. If you're not part of the groups, we'll go back. Groups. So let's go to so many groups, right? Let's go to audience rainmaker. So now the best thing is newsletter for others, and simple as that. They're sharing content, great stuff. But now you have the power. If you're part of this community, you can search here and go affiliate. Okay, affiliate. Now we find two people, right? We can click here. Okay, we can click here. Now this guy, we can have a look what he does. Helping affiliate marketers to get to $1,000 in 90 days or less with the right tools to run Facebook and autopilot. Facebook is a platform to grow tools. Okay, now do you think if I just I can just get in touch with this person now? See the power of, I can just get directly in touch with this person and have a look what he's already doing. Sharing pictures, things like that. He's really active on Facebook, and you can have a look, lot of things, right? Something like he's a dad or not, things like that. It's pictures. You can, when you go to pictures, you can have a look. Okay, it looks, that kind of age, right? So I'm not judging, but that kind of age that you're looking for, like people who. So imagine if I talk to people who wanna spend more time with their family and their sales call. I'm just giving one example. What your niche depends on your niche. I can talk to this person. Hey man, I noticed you're doing great in this business. Would you like to, do a little bit of research, and you can just message this person. Your ideal clients in front of you. Hope this brings you a lot of clarity. First, guys, your profile is really, really, really important. How you set up your profile, it should be clear, it should be concise. First is that. Second, your content. Even if I get in touch with person, so imagine if I message this person, hey, we have another video for outbounding message. I'm not gonna go. It's gonna be really long video. I'm not gonna over it. You can have we have a specific video how we talk to people, how we really get them to be a clients. You can go to that. I might be able to link that. So you can do this. Just get in touch with them and sell them. Simple as that. Hope this brings you a lot of clarity, guys. And if you want to learn more in detail trainings, interview with millionaires, you can join my free private community. Join my free private community. A lot of people are learning, training, things like that. You have special discounts for being a community member, things like that. Wish you a great day. Hope these three strategies was really helpful to you to scale your business. Doesn't matter which niche you are in, health niche, fitness niche, relationship niche, you're helping mother with their with their relationship, things like that, helping people with their wealth, drop shipping, things like that, selling courses. This can be your tool. Hope there's been a lot of clarity. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.